What's up, guys? So listen, this is the review on the Cort Space 5. So I purchased it from Zounds, and which is not it was not Zounds' fault because Zounds didn't make the guitar. So I reached out to Cort, So I was like, well, you guys have a issue with your basses and the electronics. So they say, hey, yeah, we noticed that we have had several people, complain about that and say something about that. But the Mark 1 preamp, the Mark 1, pickups in there are refined, like they are good. But the pickups, the Mark 1 pickups are refined, but the preamp is not, right? They said you could possibly change out the jack, which I figure it could possibly be the jack. But all of the solder connections and the ports looked fine, right? Nothing was burnt. Everything looked professionally done. So when I took it to Mike Harrington and had him look at it, he said, well, I can't really find anything wrong with it. So I said, Mike, I think it may be the jack. He said, I'm thinking the same thing too. So when I got the email from Cort said it could possibly be the jack. So I was like, yeah, okay, that's a quick fix. But I was expecting a little bit more hospitality when I'm spending $800-900 for a guitar, right? Now I get that you guys have I get that they have more expensive guitars, right? But the fact that I can go get a Sire for $800 and nothing is wrong with it. I can go get an Ibanez, nothing is wrong with it. I can go get a Fender, nothing is wrong with it. So how is it that when I contact you about a problem that you guys are having, not just me, right? When other people are contacting you, it's almost like in the email it's nonchalant, like, oh, I'm sorry about that. Yeah, you should try to get this bass. This bass is better than that bass. I'm not going to get another one of your basses, right? Because if you got different tiers of basses, what's going to happen is those tiers of basses is probably going to be shorter, get the shorter end of the stick than the other ones. So why get your basses, right? So when you put a brand out there, your brand should be good. See y'all later.